Hello everybody, here we are again. This time we bring the race car Corvette. This is one of my favorites. Really favorites. I'm just a Corvette lover. Since I was a kid I loved this car, so I still can afford one anyway. But here we got it. Nice machine. Previous Gran Turismo 5 was good too. Feels good on this one. So I just made also just minor touches on it. So just little things to make it better. Softer to drive. And it's about 900 horsepower, I think, if I don't remember bad. So behaves quite good with that power. As you see, it goes really good with that power. Like it. Just try it out and tell me what you think about it. It's a fast car, it's really a fast car. You can hit it hard. Well, let's see the job on it. But it's something that it goes fast. You can go fast with it. I like it, yeah. And beautiful car. Just a little job on it. That's all I think. Not that that's not didn't need it for the track, so. Neither. Further away I will maybe touch this the usual. I probably will put that on 8, 7, something like that, and this one between 18 and 20, and that will be probably somewhere around 15, 16. Alright. Didn't need nothing here yet, so but so far goes well. If you just want to improve it a little bit better, want some more, just bring that down 7, 8, 18, 20, 15, 18, something like that. Let's try those figures out and see what you still can handle it with all that power. With less power you can put it down really easy on the 18, 20 and 15. A little bit less. You're just racing with 600, 500 horsepower. You can do that very easy. Okay, hope you like it guys. Thanks for watching and a little likey. Thank you.